मैं अब जिसका तारुफ कराने वाला हूँ वो तारुफ का मोहताज नहीं है. एक्चुअली वो दोनों तारुफ के मोहताज नहीं हैं. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर टू वेलकम ऑन स्टेज श्री संजीव कपूर और श्रीमती एलोनिया कपूर. Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor and Shrimati Alona Kapoor, the power couple that have had the pleasure of knowing for years. He is a well-awarded and decorated person, and I would like to share this list with you. I think he's probably forgotten himself. So he's the Padma Shri, which he got in 2017. Please give us a round of applause for every award he got. He achieved the Guinness World Record by cooking 918 kg of khichdi live at the World India 2017. There has been a case study done on him by the Harvard Association. Now that's a big one. He won the ITA Award in 2015, Zaika-e-Hind, ITA Award 2020, 2004, 22 and 2 for the best cookery show, Khana Khazana. We've all grown up with it. He won the National Award of the Best Chef of India by the Government of India for his popularity and contribution to Indian cuisine. Ranked 31st in Reader's Digest list of 100 of India's most trusted persons. What's that word? Trusted persons. And 34th in the Forbes list of the top 100 Indian celebrities. He's been on the panel of judges for MasterChef India for seasons 3 and 4. While he continues to contribute to the food and hospitality industry, he is very ably assisted by his dear wife, Alona Kapoor, who, like most women, is the actual woman behind the man. So, big round of applause to her. I now, on behalf of the Executive Committee, comprising of Diwan Gautamanand, who is not here today, Shafqat Ali, Siddharth Mohan and myself, present the Stars of India Award to the legends.
Koishi, St. Regis.
Okay, I think this goes without saying that this restaurant would end up in the top 10. One of the best restaurants in the NCR, perhaps in the country. Number 8 goes to Cormoran, Gurgaon. I think the top 10 is going to be a little bit predictable because these are all just fabulous restaurants. Number 7, Megu Leela Palace, New Delhi.
Oh my God. On number 6 is Bukhara ITC Moria. Vatrna ITC Grand Chola, Chennai.
Goes to the Bombay Canteen, Mumbai.
Masala Library.
This year we celebrated exactly about 2 weeks ago 10 years of Masala Library. So it's extremely opportune and extremely incredible to receive this accolade. Thank you all so much for your continued support. And thank you, Shafkat, my dear brother, Chef Sanjeev, Aliona. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Number 2, which is a personal favorite, I go there a lot. Mosque, Mumbai.
The number 1 restaurant this year, Food 2023, in a very professional from Nestle Professional.
The award goes to Indian Accent, New Delhi.
We actually thought we couldn't do this 2 years in a row, but I think this jury and the way they do the awards is so unimpeachable, and it's all the more exciting and gratifying and humbling because our peer group, people we admire, people who run restaurants like we do, people who know how we sweat, and what goes behind it are the ones who voted. So that means a lot to all of us. So thank you, jury. Thank you, the executive committee.
Thank you so much. Our backbone is here, Mr. Khattar. But the most I miss is Shantanu, who's my backbone. And I would say the team at Indian Accent, which really helped me to execute, whether it's Ravish in New York, Rijul in Mumbai, Dheeraj in Comorin, all of us, we make a team and we take this brand and restaurant together forward.
Well done, well done.